Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We got something really cool for the car. Something I've been waiting for a while to get, so sorry about bouncing around there, just switching hands. Something I've been waiting for a while to get. Working overtime to pay for it. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it is, and we're going to go ahead and install it today on this video. So, as you guys know, we do have a haltech in the car. It's running on a haltech system, but we don't have a display. So we went and bought the actual display. Let me fix my camera here. Okay, we actually bought the actual display. So there it is, guys. The IC7 is what we bought. We're going to be installing this into the car today. So it comes with the wiring, comes with the computer and some instructions, and we also had to buy this. So we can put it in the car. And it's the haltech bezel. Hopefully it works for the Honda. We're going to find out. They said it was for a Honda. We'll see. So, I'm going to get you guys set up inside the car, and we're going to get this thing installed. So what we got to do is... Sorry, my fan's on back here. Turn the fan off so you guys can hear me. So what we're going to do is we'll take the steering wheel off to make it easier. It just pops off, and then we're going to actually take the cluster out, all these gauges. We're going to take all that out so we can install our new pod. So without further ado, we'll get you guys set up, and I'll turn you back on, and you'll be in there seeing what I see. Okay, guys. Just fix that here so you see, make sure you're seeing everything. Alright. So we're going to take the wheel off first. Let's see here. Okay, take this off out the way so we can see what we're doing. Now, I got the bezel here, the bezel, whatever you want to call it. It's 3D printed. So, and then I got the mounting screws here. We are going to go ahead, and here's our haltech unit. I'm going to go ahead and lay this girl in here. Okay. Get all three of these tightened up. Pretty straightforward on this stuff. Should be like a whole plug and play kit. So now, as you can tell, our haltech is now installed in here. Let me get a light for you guys because I can tell it's kind of dark, so hang on. Sorry guys, I thought I hit record. I took out the little thing with the little bezel piece, this trim piece here. So I took it out. It has my gauge pods in it. So we're definitely not going to use that. We're going to take this out. Now this cluster should come out of here. Don't lose your screws because you need it to get it back in. So take this out. Alright, cluster is out, guys. So we'll take this out, set it off to the side. Here's your factory wires. See if we can just push these back down in under here out the way. It's not one all of it fit in there. Let's go all the way up with all that. So I stuffed the wires up over, there's an air duct in the back. I stuck the wires up over the top to hide all the plugs. So now we have a few wires here. This one goes in the back. So this needs to go down to the computer. Doesn't matter which side, they're both the same. This up to the computer down here. She's all hooked in. It's very hot in here. Got a bunch of extra wire. Okay, she's locked in. Now we need this one here. Plugged in. And this plugs into this. And we got this. It is very hot in here. I am sweating. Shoo. Wrap all this here. Got this up through here. This plugs into this. Okay, this is so we can hook the laptop into it. And then this is this. Ugh. It is so daggone hot. This week has been torture. Tell you what, the company 3D printed this, man. It's spot on. I mean, literally spot on. Let's see if this will go back in there. Alright, this wasn't bolted in. That gauge cluster was not. Alright, boys and girls. A lot of wiring in here. I'm gonna open the garage door, and then we're gonna start this thing and see how it looks. I guess hopefully everything comes on like it's supposed to. Alright guys, it's supposed to be plug and play. There it is, guys. Can you see it? She's lit up. Alright guys, it's on and it works. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just a little upgrade, but probably next week we're going to take it back to the tuner. We're going to get everything finalized on this and get the idle corrected and get a retune and see if we can't get this thing to last a little longer, get a little more power out. We're not going to get more power out of it. We're going to leave it right where it's at. But we are going to see if we can't get everything corrected on it, and we're going to get a launch control set up here. So as soon as we do that, we're going to be taking it back to the not back, we're actually, as soon as we get done getting our rolling anti-lag set up, we're going to take it back to the drag strip and see what we can do with it. So guys, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.